What's your goal in life? Our German teacher, Mr. Kleinen, asked us unexpectedly when I was 16 years old. To invent and produce a product that is the best of its kind in the world was my quick answer. I had never thought about that before. By the way, I'm not in the film because I shot these original scenes. 10 years later, I was at a low point. I'd already been in the USA for a year for Igus, and I hadn't sold anything yet. In a moment of sunshine by the water, a thought occurred to me. It's not about you, Frank, about your success, it's about the customer. The customer is like the sun. They bring light and energy, ideas and money. We reorganized my parents' small company with this in mind. We created new spaces and brought us closer to our customers, became more agile and built a laboratory in order to realize new ideas more quickly and constantly. I was part of our developer circles here for many decades, and the customer was at the center. They are still at the center today, but I'm no longer there. Now, fantastic talents and their leaders are doing it on their own. They create well over 200 new products every year. The goal is always motion plastics, improve what moves. To create longer life products for motion that are lubrication-free, reduce weight, and bring new and better solutions for machine tools, clean room applications, in cars, in solar plants, everywhere. Cost down, life up, and improve technology. Sometimes the customer sun burns so hot that we get a sunburn. A complaint. It took us 2 years to turn a $250,000 flop at Hueneme Port in California into the successful product Shore Power. Today, it is one of the innovations that keep us growing in these times. And in the end, Hueneme also placed an order for the new system. The famous innovator's dilemma. We know it well. At first, most people laugh about our new product. But we keep working on it. With the Rebel robot, for example, we persevered. At the 2019 premiere in Hanover, Chancellor Merkel didn't want to entrust us with her Meissen porcelain just yet, and rightly so. Today, customers can buy a fast, flexible cobot for just 4,970 euros, one of the few robots from Germany that can compete with Chinese products. The gearbox made from motion plastics and our own software and power electronics make this possible. And we go further, as with the Igus bike, with the dream of building maintenance-free bicycles from local plastic waste, from Indonesia to Cologne. You may be laughing now, but the Igus bike is currently gaining important experiences on its first world tour. My passion for innovation still drives me today. And I'm grateful for 3 things. That my parents gave me the chance within the 20-person company, that so many wonderful people here today want to make the world a better place, and that I'm still hungry and curious. I think the world is facing the biggest boom ever because everything is changing at the same time. But there's one thing I don't want to change anymore, to help drive innovation forward.